This last video will show you how to get to the Google Doc where you will be writing your SCR. While the steps are listed here, I'm also going to walk you through them and help you understand what is in the document when you actually open it. So the first step we want to do is go back to our Google Classroom where you were just looking at lessons 413 and 415. If you scroll down underneath writing assignments, you'll see 417 SCR. This is where you are going to be writing your SCR today. When you open it up, there's a few things in it, and it's not completely blank. The first is going to be sentence starters. If you are forgetting how to write an SCR or you need a little bit of extra help, feel free to use these. The second part is just the prompt. The most important piece of the prompt is in bold, so make sure you're responding to that. This last part is historical context. You're going to use this to help give the reader context before you give your thesis. And this part is where you'll begin typing. You can feel free to erase that and then start typing whenever you're ready.